Hi guys, Virginia Scratcher here. Today I have one of these $100 million explosion tickets to scratch. These are $20 Virginia Lottery tickets. It just came out recently. The odds of any prize are 1 in 9.13. There are still 5,609 and 5,711 $600 top prizes left. So you can win $100, $200, $300, or $600. It's what we call the boomer bust. The really bad odds. Extra chance drawing points for your losers. This is ticket number 18. So you match your number to the winning number to win the prize shown. A money bag wins that prize instantly. And the last time we played this, we won $100. So, hey, you never know. These boomer busts. Alright, so we're looking for 5, 42, 1, 23, 17, 64, 8, and 40. So you want 100 up here, 200 down here, 300 down here, and 600 down here. Let's start with the 600, just to see. 3, we have 1 and 5 and 8. 12, we have 17. 57, no 50s. 22, we have 23. 7, we have 8. 21, 52, and 9. No, we have 8. Okay, let's go up to 300. 4, we have 5. 19, we have 17. 44, we have 42, 40. Okay. 13, 33, no 30s. 35, 43, we have 42, and 11. So let's go to 200. 65, we have 64, 38, 34, 39, 1 off, 6, 1 off, 47, 14, and 58. Okay, now to the 100. 60, 26, excuse me, 15, 46, 18, 1 off. Oh, we got the win! Oh, baby. $100. All right. Let's see if we got anything else. You never know. 61. I doubt it. 31. All right. Hot dang, we got a profit. So the boomer bust. 2 in a row I've won $100 on. What the heck? I've played these forever and ever and never win. So I've won 2 in a row now. So that is just the most awesome, wonderful thing. And big profit. So, till next time guys, that's a wrap.